Let me introduce user interface of AutoCAD 2010. When you new the file, you can see we have got select template that you can select one of the template and then click OK to open the drawings. And then when you the new file, you haven't got any startup dialog box. So please look at here. You can type the command for the startup, and then you can enter the new value for startup from 0 to 1. 0 is off, 1 is on. So when you new the startup dialog box, we have got start from scratch. You can choose the unit here, or use a template like the previous window, or use a wizard, because you can see the wizard you have got the quick setup and advanced setup. For the quick setup, you can see when you click OK, you can select the units of the measurement, and then next, and then the area of the joint area. The joint area, we can use the ISO A3 size joint sheet, because we have got 420 and then 297 for the A3 size joint sheet. So when you finish it, you can see the joint areas that you can check is the joint limits here. So you can use the joint limits, and then 0,0 is the corner, the left corner, and then you can enter it, and then you can see upper right angle is your A3 size joint sheet 420,297, because I set the joint areas in the startup dialog box. When I just new it, you can see the quick setup, you can set the unit, decimal is millimeters, and then next you can see the width is 420 and then 297 for the A3 size ISO A3 size joint sheet, and then you just finish to click OK, because for the user interface you can see in AutoCAD we have got the pull down menu. Because the pull down menu, you can show or hide the menu bar, so you just click that one and then you can show menu bar for the file, and then you have got the format, dimension, draw and modify. So when you just use AutoCAD, we can use the pull down menu, graphic icons, and then the command line. Maybe I draw the line, I can use L, press the space bar. You can specify the first point and second point here. So when you want to end it again, you can press spacebar again to finish your line. So in the user interface, you can go to the workspace and then go to the previous version, because AutoCAD we have got the AutoCAD Classic. AutoCAD Classic we have got some of the draw pull down menu and modify pull down menu, and then you have got the Classic here. But right now you need to learn the 2D drafting and annotation here. So you can see we have got the graphic icons in ribbon. When you draw a circle, you can see the command line, we have specified the center point. The center point you can click into the end point of the line, because we just open the old snap here for the endpoint. So when you click into the endpoint, we have got some of the indication for the endpoint, and then you can specify the radius. Right now the radius should be maybe 100 for the radius. When you just press enter, you can just using the wheel, and then you can use the zoom all to do it, because we have got the pull down menu bar wheel. You can use the zoom all to zoom all the areas, because 100 should be bigger. So when you use the zoom, you can type the set, press the spacebar to enter, and then you can see we have got the options. The options, you can type A for the capital letters and then enter it to finish. So when you zoom window, W is the window, you can just zoom that window. So we have got the graphic icon pull down menu here, or some of the status bar. The status bar, when you click into the grid here or snap, you can just right click for the setting, and then the setting should be 10 to 10, and then when you just take the grid on, you can see the grid number. When you zoom all, you have got 420297 here. So that one is the user interface of the AutoCAD.